Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Scotch eggs. Please watch the video till the end and I hope you guys will enjoy. So for my recipe today, I only need 4 ingredients. One will be beef sausage. Then I'll need boiled eggs, breadcrumbs, and finally 1 raw egg. So the first step, you're going to peel off the sausage skin. The second step, you're going to remove the eggs from the shell. Then you're going to go ahead and start coating the egg with the sausage meat until it's fully covered, and continue the same process with the rest of your eggs until you're done. When you're done with the second step, you're going to go ahead to the third step, where you're going to pass each through the beaten egg and to the breadcrumbs. You can also shake off any excess crumbs and continue with the rest until you're done coating. Finally, the last step, you will heat up oil in a pan. On moderate heat, you're going to deep fry the Scotch eggs until they're golden brown. When they're ready, you're going to drain them, cut them into half, and you can serve either hot or cold. And there you have it, guys, Scotched eggs. As for myself, I prepared a salsa on the side. If you like this recipe, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment. If you're new, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching.